Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. So many of you have joined. So, then, what is your progress in this week regarding scratch and all which we discussed last week? Hello. So, uh, you all have tried or downloaded Scratch or something or
Yes,
anything?
sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir, we have downloaded.
You have downloaded. You tried anything?
Yes, sir.
Good.
So I have sent it in your WhatsApp also.
Oh yes, oh, sorry. Yes, yes, I have seen that. I wanted to say the thing in class. It wanted now. Yes, I have seen, but where it is now, I'm not getting. But I have seen that. Yeah. So can you share that thing now also?
So I have joined to my phone.
Or using phone? Okay, we'll discuss that type of model and exception. I'm not getting now, but you said you have seen that. Okay. And anybody else who can also share now? See, one software in last week we have seen that is Scratch. Acha, now you people, let me see the name of all yours. Just a second. Alipsa Bashu, okay. Aradita, then Deepakya, Adrija, Ankan, Archit, Arpan, Anki, Antik, Rishti, Jaita, Jayanta, Kaustubh, Shiva, Vaibhav and Yash. Okay. So, any one of you tried anything else? Don't join like to make it complete silent class. Okay, I said from the first class I'm continuously telling you people to do something, some discussion. It's a club activity, please. Don't be silent like this. This looks very odd. In regular class, chalo, people don't say much. Here it is by your choice, not by force. So this is on choice. If you are working, then do it with passion.
So can't we use pivot animation as an animation app?
Pivot animation, right? Yes, that is also one, but that is specifically for animation. Actually, I'm showing you two, three things today, chalo. But what you asked about regarding pivot animation?
So other than that app, we can also use that app also for animation.
Yes. the difference is what that animation only based on some specific let's see, what that figure known the stick type figure, and only that is a 2D type 2D based animation. In Scratch you can use 3D animation, number one. Number two, it is different type of animation which you can plan as according your project, and those related to that animation you can create image, you can draw image in paint, and that image you can use in Scratch. So these facilities are available. And actually why I am telling you to learn Scratch, because not to learn Scratch. I don't want that you people learn Scratch. I want you people need to present your model, your plan, your think process in an animated format. I'm showing you two, three things. Wait. Suppose I'm writing over here. Simply, just I'm showing you how we can do the work. Means for what we are coming robotics. Robotics is what? Robotics is nothing. It's a science, means an outcome of science. Do you know what is the meaning of robot? Any one of you? What is the meaning of robot?
Something which is operated by human to perform a particular work.
Okay, I'm coming to this answer. How to make a how to make a just I'm writing this. Let's see. Enthusiastic. It's not exact. Actually, exact search is very. These are all very good project for startup, but it is just required different type of electronical gadgets. It is required. Actually, I actually will not get all these things. It is you need to plan. The plan is what that when you are making your model. I'm showing you on site to. Acha, by this way, as you said that robot something created by human to do the work. As you said, it is right. The meaning of robot coming from robota, the word robota, and the word coming from France, or I forget the country, France or Greece somewhere. Okay, that the meaning of this word is basically in Bengali. When it's servant. Okay, robota means in the is servant. I think I can get it in. Robota, this is forced labor. Okay, and the term basically someone who used that term, who used this term first time, not a scientist. The person who used this robota term first time was not a scientist. Actually, he was a writer of drama, play. So, what he has done, he has planned for a drama where he used this term robota like a machine, someone, a virtual person, something who can listen and who can means who can listen to each and every their uh, the, means every instruction from their whoever the owner. Okay, something like that was the story. And this way, from that drama, this robota term has come, and from there only the term robot is come. So why we are discussing this? Because robot means something which will work basis on your direction. Now you need to plan your direction, basically what you want. If you don't know what you want to do, then robot will never be planned to make. Okay, like if I give you one task, simply one task to it is now 4:15. If I give you 5 minutes time to 10 minutes time to write something from your surroundings on which you need to find one problem. You need to focus on a problem, and you need to find out the solution uh, to solve the problem. Can you do it now? My query is clear or not?
So please repeat.
My query is that you need to find one problem from your surroundings, okay, and you need to solve that problem. Like you are here, someone, okay, wherever you are seated at your home, you are someone, you take a diameter surrounding to you, maybe your another rooms or your building, the house, wherever you are, you take a 50 meter, approx 50 meter surrounding you, you take, okay, to find one problem you find, and find the solution of that problem. Okay, what solution you have, that solution or not, that is not our discussion, but you find one solution. This activity can you do? My query is clear to you people now?
So what type of problem?
Any problem, that solution also you need to find. How much minute you want? Yes, how much? Tell me. Hmm? 10 minutes to write. 10 minutes though. Time started. You can ask me. It's not silently. You can ask me whatever your query. What do you want to know? Any problem. You pick out someone's problem. Your father is facing some problem in the room. Some facilities you can provide to do something. Your brother, your sister, your mother in kitchen. You in your study table. You pick out one problem whose solution also you need to find. Okay. The people are writing, na?
So please give an example about what kind of problem you are talking about.
Acha. Chalo, I'm giving one example. Should I? Acha, chalo, I'm giving one example to you. Say, I want to. See, I'm also thinking now. What problem I can find out from my surroundings? Chalo. I'm thinking and I'm giving you some idea. Say, I am also thinking with you people 1 to 2 minutes. I am taking time from you 1 to 2 minutes to think something. Okay, you people continue your think process. I am giving you some idea, some answer. Have any one of you, anybody have got something? Hello, I find something. I want to share my think process. The place, the area where I live, I'm sharing you okay, to you. Okay, are you listening, you people?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the place where I live, uh, in front of my house, there is a you can say one pond, and the pond is not much in good condition. Jungle type, and something is there. Just I was thinking about my surrounding, and what I have got the density, number of mosquitoes are much over here in this area specifically. I know throughout the India it is a very big problem, but in this particular surrounding to me, this particular in this area, number of the mosquito density is high due to that pond. Now, what are the possible situation I can plan for this particular? See, I'm just 2 3 minutes I've taken to plan something. Now I'm writing few points. What are the possible thing I can do for this solution? Like it is on okay. This is I've taken the morning class over here. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm writing some issue. See, I'm showing you how to think. Say the problem of mosquito and the pond, right? And some other issues. Dot, dot, dot. Now, what solution I can find from here? How can I tell me some point? You people first tell me some point. How can I solve this problem? One is obviously we can go for um, mosquito net at our home, but this is already already available in market. What new is there? But still I am writing. Still I am writing. At your home or window, whatever, mosquito net. Chalo, nothing to write much. Number two, clean the pond. Is it possible for me? It is
No,
possible.
sir, no, sir. Maybe.
Not by yourself, but you
Huh?
can appoint someone to clean it.
Pond is not possible to clean, or any decision I can take about the pond. It's a very big concept, and it is all related to the whole area. All people required a huge money, then government approbation. Many things are required. One also point is there. I'm coming to the mosquito net and clean the pond. Mosquito net possible for me, right? It is impossible for me. Not impossible, it is wrong word. Not easy to do that, right? Number three, uh,
So
number
you
three
can
was
use mosquito repellent sprays
hmm?
or mosquito repellent, those sprays or that good night or
Acha,
the
acha, acha,
fragrance.
okay, different spray, but it is just you buy and use, no issue to use.
So if we have a solution to a problem, then why to think of something extra? Like we have
Not
the
clear,
solution, na?
not clear. Once more.
So we already have the solution to this problem. We have a mosquito net, mosquito repellent sprays. Then why to find something new?
Okay, okay. Yes, we have already solution, but still why I am writing, because still are we completely free from the problem? if you are using different spray and what that is liquid or ধূপ কি যেন বলে ওগুলোকে আরে কচ্ছপ ধূপ etc etc okay so whatever we are using etc etc is this okay for health? We all are facing different type of health issues for that, right or wrong? So it's not solution.
Yes, sir.
So we need to find more solution on it. Now number 4, mosquito net. I want to say one thing, it is obviously possible, but the drawback are what over here? Drawback is here that it restrict the proper air passing problem. It restrict it disturb, number 1. Number 2, still you are using mosquito net, but it not create complete solution, but it is one good point. It is the good thing that you can use, okay, even that is one. Anything else? Can we make something like one device? See, I'm finding one problem first, but I know I don't have solution. But still, if I try to find, I can find some solution. I'm first of all telling you one biological solution. What biological solution is possible over here? তোমরা জানো অনেকেই আকন্দ ফুল, or most of you are Bengalis over here, right? আকন্দ বলে একটা ফুল আছে, I don't know the English term of that or the scientific term of that fruit flower. কারণ কি জানা আছে?
Yes, sir.
কি নাম ওটার আকন্দ?
স্যার আমিও আকন্দই জানি, আকন্দ জানি না।
তাহলে আমরা আকন্দই বলি ওটাকে, চল। তো ওইটার যে একটা আঠা হয় না, ঠিক আছে, that particular thing you can use, আমার যতটুকু নলেজে আছে, because I worked on it once and আমাকে একজন একটা বায়োলজি স্টুডেন্ট আমাকে একটু ডিটেল বলেছিল এটা, কি ওইটার আঠাটার সঙ্গে some other ingredient you can use, তো ওখান থেকে তুমি একটা মসকুইটো, ওইটার স্মেল বা ওটা থেকে মসকুইটো ভীষণ কম আসে। আর একটা আমি তোমাকে কম আসে, কিন্তু কম আসে বলে তো সেটা একটা সলিউশন না, ঠিক আছে। আমি ওটা, দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড ইন্ডিয়ান। এবার এখানে একটা কথা বলি, রাইট, ইটস ভেরি গুড পয়েন্ট টু ডিসকাস। ডু ইউ নো অর নট, I think you people know it, Indian different type of this jodiboti technique, you can say, okay, that is herbal technique, that আরেকটা স্পেসিফিক এক ধরনের গাছ আছে, আর গাছটার নাম হচ্ছে নিশিন্ধা, okay, that particular plant also, even tulsi is very much helpful, useful for mosquito, to avoid mosquito. আমি কিন্তু এগুলো বায়োলজি স্টুডেন্টদের কাছ থেকেই জেনেছি, I am not much good in biology, ঠিক আছে, but I know here some biology students and I am telling you people because I can easily say something on robotics, কি আমি robotics এ আসছি, এটা robotics solution কি হতে পারে, but first of all আমি এটাতে যাচ্ছি, কি আমি যেটা আমার কিছু পুরনো স্টুডেন্টদের কাছ থেকে খবরটা জানিয়েছিলাম, দে অলরেডি প্রিপেয়ার্ড ওয়ান প্রজেক্ট অলসো, ওকে। আমার কাছে মেবি ইউটিউবে ওর একটা ভিডিও থাকবে, ও বানিয়েছিল। তো দ্যাট দ্য থিং ওয়ের উই ক্যান মেক সাম প্রোডাক্ট, উই ক্যান ওয়ার্ক অন ইট। কি করবো আমি ফার্স্ট অফ অল এই যে 2-3টে ক্লু পেলাম, কি আকন্দ ফুল or nishinda pata, actually what is this? If I don't know, I need to find first of all what exactly this is, then I need to find the chemical formula, detail names and etc of those things. After that I will try, I will research then on, আমি এটা ইউটিউবে দেখেছি কিছুকাল আগে, আমার মনে পড়ছে এখন। See, I have started with something, but now one after another it is coming in my mind. এটা হয়তো তোমরাও দেখেছো, you people also have seen kerosene and কর্পূর. Okay, it helps to,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
তো এইটা আমরা ইউটিউবে আমি 2-3 দিন মানে কয়েকবার আমি দেখেছি ইউটিউবে, এটা আই বিলিভ কি এটা ভালো কাজ করে না, বাট মেবি ইট মে ওয়ার্ক. তো আমি যদি একটা সায়েন্সের স্টুডেন্ট হই, I must try with this chemical bonding, what exactly present in this particular food flower or this particular leaf, that it is helping to avoid mosquito, to keep mosquito at least a distance. What exactly it is? তা আমি চেষ্টা করব, because you know that I wanted to say ki Indian herbal product is world famous, because most of the European country they use Indian herbal to make different type of product, commercial product. But we Indians laughing to each other, এই মা এ কিছু জানে না, গায়ে কি জানো গ্রামের কথা বলছে, আমরা এরকম একে অপরে হাসি. That is our main problem. We are very much ready to show finger to others. That is our main problem, and that is why India, বিকজ আমি তোমাদের ছোট্ট একটা যে গল্প শেয়ার করছি, আমি যখন রাশিয়া গেছিলাম এর ওপরে, তো রাশিয়াতে অনেক ওখানে যখন আমি অনেক সায়েন্টিস্টদের সঙ্গে অনেক রকম মিটিং হয়েছিল, তো আমাকে ওখানে বলেছিল, মানে আমরা আমাদের অনেক পার্সোনাল আলোচনাও হতো রাত্রে ডিনার টেবিলে. তো ওখানে আমাদের একটা আলোচনা হয়েছিল একবার, আমার খুব খারাপ লেগেছিল আলোচনাটা, যে একটা ইন্ডিয়ান যদি, কেন রাশিয়া আর ইন্ডিয়ার মধ্যে কতটা ইকোনমিক্যাল ডিফারেন্স ইউ পিপল নো? ডু ইউ নো হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ডিফারেন্স? আমি তোমাদের দেখাচ্ছি. ইউ পিপল নো দ্যাট?
Yes, sir.
কতটা জানো?
So in that respect, I do not know, like whatever I'm studying at the moment, I know in that respect, like after US, Russia, it's like the second power which is there. US is obviously the hegemonic power, and after that it's followed by Russia.
No, that is okay. Economically, they are very, actually by power they are very strong, but the monetary difference, you know, see the monetary difference.
Sir, India is more.
Yes, see the monetary difference. Whereas Russian ruble, this is actually the what it is. Our rupees in America, it
Their
is
currency.
Sorry, the term I forget. Currency.
Hmm.
As per currency, see the difference. But as per currency, United States dollar. Okay. This is the difference.
Almost 72, 73 rupees.
Yes, but see, but Russian ruble is not much, that much. It is just 0.9 paisa. No extra amount you can say it is. But they are strong. So I asked them, what is the good part here that you people technically too much strong? So they said me only one thing, you know. Their scientists told me that only one thing. আর ওরা আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করেছিল কি, আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি জিজ্ঞেস করেছিলাম কি আপনাদের যদি কেউ, if you people, someone from here get job in India, will you go? So they said no. I asked why. They said I asked also due to money, but because money is not a very big deal over here. Both the countries are almost economically same, and obviously some other issues are there, but still. তো আমি সেই ইস্যুস গুলো আর বলিনি, আমি খালি বলেছিলাম যে economically we both are same almost. So yes, we both are same, and we are also not much happy in this country. They said also that thing, but still we will not go to India for anything. I asked why. They said there is two only problem. One, you have the second part with your name. I didn't understand what they said. Second part, after that, after few one or two sentence, I understood what they said. Second part, you understood what they said?
Like the differentiation regarding the surname or
Casteism.
casteism, religion, those.
Okay, they said India only have two things for India is India. No one will go to India. What those two things? One is casteism. Another one there we know very well. If you have you are very rich by many things, but এই যে যেটা আমি এক্ষুনি বললাম ওখানে একজনা কিছু করলে আরেকজন না ওইটা নিয়ে পড়ে থাকে দে নেভার থিঙ্ক অ্যাবাউট ইয়োর ওন কোয়ালিটি এটা ইন্ডিয়াতে চলে but here we don't bother to other ki what someone is doing what I can do or why I can't do we don't compare with each other we do our own we do our best that is two difference with India to European country otherwise India is best there are many things many good things are there but you people are facing two problem and that is why India will never be able to overcome many problems তো আমার খুব ঠিক লেগেছিল কথাগুলো আমি ওই জন্য বেশি কিছু বলতে আর যাইনি তো দিস ইজ দ্য ইস্যু ওয়াই আই এম টেলিং অল দিস থিংস এইগুলো নিয়ে আমরা যদি কখনো রিসার্চ করি আমরা সবসময় অন্য কিছু ভাবি ইফ ইউ পিপল স্টার্ট ওয়ার্কিং it's not a very big deal to find out the problem from here but sorry some chemical reaction what is possible and you can make something I don't know how you will make but it is possible I believe right or wrong tell me I can share one that thing even I'm showing you one more thing this is one student whom I teach this is the student I can show you he is my very good student he is in touch with me he is a very good robotics student this one okay so they are very much good I am showing you one thing just a minute I am showing you this one under this one only you will be getting many things under this section you can get see আমরা ছোটবেলা থেকে you people don't know for that only the class is going on maybe see I'm showing you some of the things see intellectual property module what intellectual property module I'm telling you people suppose the topic which I discussed with you people how you can prepare a mosquito herbal mosquito liquidator or something like that completely herbal after your research you can go for intellectual property module intellectual property right is what IPR I am the authorized to work on IPR by Government of India I am a certified donor to work on IPR work like for what like student you people are making some product and the product is really good working then you can with me you can make this intellectual property related all requirement if you fulfill then you can go for a patent and everything that the product is made by you and not only the government also the whoever company will take your formula they have to pay you and this payment is not a simple payment it will build your life okay and this is the concept over here then I am showing you there are many other creating business pitch what is creating business pitch this is also another technique on which actually we are working now this particular section we are working now don't think that you are in class 11 or 12, that means it is the time to enjoy with your parents money. Not like that. Till 5 years you have that you can enjoy with your parents money, and after that you will go with your CV to different companies. The future is not like that. Okay, the future is, if you are planning something now, that business pitch you need to create for that. If you have a product in your mind, you create that product, and you need to place that product in real world. And we are means specifically, I am authorized person again for all these things. Okay, so with whom you contact first, like you can contact me with me. Okay, so that these are all the points to work with it. I'm just showing you one or two things. Let me show. uh, just a second. See, this is okay, I'm showing you. I'm just showing you that I am the government authorized IPR, IPR, this related issues, whatever coming from school or student side. I am the person to forward all these things till government of India, that you can get proper IPR. Okay, so all these things are here. Every opportunities, every facilities are here. The software, whatever you are learning, as I said, like 3D design and printing also, it is one kind of thing. So the app development, so all this you can work on it. But if I say you develop, let's learn app development. Now the thing is not like that, someone will come, a teacher will come to you, and like I am only help you. I'm showing you one app development, like just a minute. It is developed by me, I'm telling you. It is work under progress. That is why I'm throughout the day, I uh, I only busy with this type of things. I'm sharing one app with you people today. uh, how to do that? Okay, Google Meet. It will take Meet. What is the meeting code here? NFB. Are you getting some idea that what I am discussing all these things? হ্যালো, এত
Yes,
চুপচাপ থাকলে হবে না রে বাবু, তোরা কথা বল, তোদের সঙ্গে কথা বলার জন্য বসি। ইউ পিপল আর ডোন্ট স্পিক আউট, মিন্স হোয়াট শুড আই সে? এত চুপচাপ থাকলে হবে বল? I think echo will not come now. Hello, hello, hello. No. Then I can share, I think. Hmm. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm showing this thing. This app you will not get in Google Play Store till, but it is under development still. It is. I'm working on it. Sometimes server issues arise here. I don't know. I will be able to show or not because it is in local server now. It is not yet in Google server. Yeah. Let it be on. I don't know. It will. Something. This something went wrong is coming due to server issue because it is in local server. So I'm giving you some idea. Okay. What exactly it is? It is like an app where you can get all detail by location, by product, by quality, category, color of the product, like we people do in Amazon or Flipkart. Okay, the same thing you will be getting from local market. Do you know that? Means from local market, each and every product, whatever you want to buy, you will be getting over here. You will be getting over here. Like hello.
So this is an online shopping app.
This is online shopping app obviously, but with completely new concept which is not present in market. But see, in one word, if you say is it online shopping app, in one word the answer is yes. But
But for
basically,
the local markets.
but traditionally, whatever we are getting from Amazon or from Flipkart or XYZ Mintra, it's not exactly it is not same as that. It is many thing, many concepts are different. So that if I stop my thinking that already I want to make something, so I am living from here. Okay, I'm not able to show all the things today. By next week or next to next week, I think I can show everything. 7 to 10 days work still left over here. I get very less time. Many things are here. I so this I have created for what? I have created only to I have created this thing only uh, to make something new, to make something you know to make something special on online shopping. It is completely innovative app, you can say, and it is already approved to government of India. I sent the report to them, and it is approved by them. So the thing is, what you need to plan, you need to think. What see, আমরা কতটুকু ভাবি, আমরা এটাই ভাবি যে অলরেডি তো অনলাইন শপিং অ্যাপ আছে, ফ্লিপকার্ট আছে, অ্যামাজন আছে, আমি ওর সঙ্গে লড়তে পারবো? ইট ইজ নেক্সট টু ইম্পসিবল ফর মি। আই অলসো নো who am I in front of Amazon or Flipkart. But that is not my think process. I have started my work. Maybe I will not be successful, maybe I'll be successful. But my point of view is I have created something new. That is my point. And the government is approving your product. That is also another second point. Is it making any sense or not? For what I am discussing, is it making any sense? তোমাদের কাছে কিছু আইডিয়া ক্লিয়ার হচ্ছে? তোমরা না যে
Yes, sir.
নিজের ভাষায় কথা বলতে পারো। ইটস নট লাইক দ্যাট you need to speak in English always in this class, not like that. And today I am focusing related to the mosquito product issue. I focused on biology based product, or it is also possible for robotics based product. It is also possible for the students who are from humanities and like Adrija is from humanity background, right? So you people think in different way how you people can do something. I have taken one example like this way. Another example you people can plan. And scratch or whatever, nothing. It is just our tool, a tool we need through which আমি এই যে অ্যাপটা তোমাদের দেখালাম, এই অ্যাপটার আগে আমি জানো কতটা লিখেছিলাম ডিজাইনের জন্য, কটা পেজ। যদি অফলাইন থাকতো আমি তোমাদের আমার ফাইলটা নিয়ে দেখাতাম। এই অ্যাপটা ডেভেলপ করবার আগে আমি অ্যারাউন্ড I have taken 3 to 4 months, but I have written the main idea within 2 days. But I have taken 3 to 4 months to write. Only I have written. I have completed 2 complete copy. মানে ওই যে তোমাদের যেগুলো হোয়াইট কালারের যে এক্সারসাইজ বুকগুলো থাকে না, ক্লাসমেটের হোয়াইট কালারের, মানে ব্ল্যাঙ্ক পেজ যেটা আমি বলতে চাইছি।
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
সো ওইটা আমি লিখেছি কমপ্লিট, 2টো কপি আমার কমপ্লিট হয়ে গেছে। এই অ্যাপের মধ্যে কি কি ফিচার থাকবে সেটা ক্লিয়ার করার জন্য, কিভাবে এটা ডিফারেন্ট হবে। আর সেখান থেকে আলটিমেট I have created one A4 report, A4 printed report of only 10 pages. প্রথমে অতটা লিখেছি, তারপর ওটাকে কেটে ছেটে আবার ছোট করেছি। So this is only your think process. I'm using my own example this way, and you can choose someone. I'm nobody to say because it is not yet completed. Okay, but whoever is doing something, you need to do this way. Whatever coming in your mind. আমি একজন স্টুডেন্টের এক্সাম্পল দিতে পারতাম। These all are my certification and everything. As I said, the students, as I said, the student is a very very nice student. He is in regular touch with me. This is the student, I forgot the name. Very good boy he is. This is the boy. This is the yellow t-shirt boy. Okay, this is the boy. Very good boy he is. Means ওকে যদি আমি এখনই বলি যে আমাকে একটা এরকম প্ল্যান করো, এরকম একটা প্রোগ্রাম বানাবো, এরকম একটা করবো, within 3 days these people respond and these people always work, So why not in my country, in my school, you people are not doing? It's not like that type of teaching ki someone will say you better start innovation, start thinking. You tell me, who told to Einstein or Newton to do something? Who told to Newton that yes, the apple is falling, you think something basis on that? Who told it? বলো তো, বলেছিল কি নিউটনকে? আমি কি ভুল? আমি একটু ভুল বললাম বোধ হয় না? আইনস্টাইনের অ্যাপল স্টোরি উইথ রিলেটেড টু আইনস্টাইন না?
Sir, Newton.
Newton, okay, right. So the thing is this only. If you can think, these all কি ওদের কাছে স্ক্র্যাচ ছিল না ওদের কাছে কম্পিউটার ছিল? ওদের কাছে পেন এন্ড পেপার ছিল। তো স্ক্র্যাচ ফ্র্যাচ বেকার। This all we are helping you. The main focus is your think process, and basis on think process, your plan you need to present in a pen and paper. Now today is a digital medium everywhere, so you need to present it digitally, and basis on that you choose your path, and you can everybody, the total channel behind you, অনেক opportunities আছে. You will forget about getting job if you can choose those type of channel. There are many channels, and all the facilities for you people, who are below 20 years. Till 18 years, you may get any type of approbation today, any type of registration. Government is open for that. তো তোমরা কিছু বানাও, তোমরা কিছু প্ল্যান করো, তোমরা কিছু ডিজাইন করো। আই ওয়ান্ট, মানে প্রচুর কিছু বলার থাকে। বর্ধমানের একটি মেয়ে, ওখানে একটা স্কুলের মেয়ে, আই এম টেলিং ইউ, সে মেয়েটি অলরেডি শি হ্যাজ টেকেন I think 6 or 7 patent, you know. আমি তোমাকে একটা ছোট্ট এক্সাম্পল দিচ্ছি ও কি রকম পেটেন্ট নিয়েছে, দেন ইউ ক্যান আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দেন হোয়াট টু ডু। অল অফ ইউ পিপল নো অ্যাবাউট ড্রিল মেশিন?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
তো ড্রিল মেশিন যখন চালানো হয়, দ্যাট টাইম হুএভার ইজ ইউজিং দ্যাট মেশিন, যখন অনেক বড় বড় দেয়ালে কাটিং হয় বা কিছু হয় না, তো ওদেরকে মাস্ক পরতে হয়, রাইট? আদারওয়াইজ কি হয়, ওরা ওই সিমেন্টের যে ডাস্টটা হয় ওদের খুব তাড়াতাড়ি ডিফারেন্ট টাইপ অফ প্রবলেম চলে আসে, রেসপিরেটরি প্রবলেম আসে। এবার ড্রিল মেশিন চালাতে অনেক হেভি স্ট্রেংথ লাগে, বড় বড় ড্রিল চালাতে। তো ইট ইজ অলসো নট পসিবল টু ইউজ মাস্ক অলওয়েজ, ইট ইজ হেকটিক। এমনিতেই বেশি জোর লাগে, তখন মাস্ক পরে ড্রিল চালানো প্রবলেম আছে, মাস্ক খুলে দিতে হয়। দ্যাট ইজ অলসো আ জেনুইন প্রবলেম। তুমি বলতে পারো না যে তাহলে মাস্ক পরো, না হলে মরে যাও তাড়াতাড়ি, রাইট? তো দ্য থার্ড, বাট ইট ইজ বাই রুল। রুল আর কজন মানে, যেমন হেলমেট আমরা পরি না বাইক চালানোর সময়, ওরকমই ওরাও মাস্ক পরে না। So that girl, she is also in class 12 now. ও যখন ক্লাস 9 এ ছিল, she has prepared one small glass type container which is very much compatible with the front side of the drill machine, কি তুমি ড্রিলটা চালাবার সময় ওই গ্লাস টাইপ কন্ট্রোলারটা ওখানে ইজিলি অ্যাটাচ করে দিতে পারো, and there is a vacuum, simple vacuum she used, which is attached with the current flow of the drill machine only. Can a drill chalate minimum 500 watt, the smallest drill also take 500 watt, ঠিক আছে, which are electrical. তো ওখান থেকে তুমি কারেন্ট বাইপাস করে ও একটা ছোট্ট ভ্যাকিউম ওখানে ক্রিয়েট করে দিয়েছে, ভ্যাকিউম কন্টেনার, যেটা করছে কি সমস্ত ডাস্ট টেনে নিচ্ছে, ইমিডিয়েট দেয়াল থেকে বেরোবার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে ডাস্টটা ও টেনে নিচ্ছে। The machine is working like this way, and it is very lightweight, or plastic type some she used to do that thing. But that's all, and she took the patent from government. Now any company who want to add this feature with their drill machine, they need to pay to this girl, and this amount is much more enough than a government job. Now you people think, for what our study? Our study only for society help, na? Or to only to get a government job? Tell me. If you can earn in both the way, then what is the problem? Is it making any sense or not? What exactly I want to mean over here?
Yes, sir.
So that on that only you involve. এমনি ফ্রাইডেতে একটা ক্লাসে আসবো, শুনবো, স্যার বলবে, ভাববো স্যার কিছু শেখাচ্ছে। সি, I can teach you what I am telling you. See, I can teach you Python, I can teach you app development, okay? I can teach you game development, okay? I can teach you I can't teach you, I can help you for IPR, patent, for all this I am registered, okay? I can mentor for anything to you, 3D design, okay? Web development, all these things I can help you, but I can't help you to think new things. This is your, I can't help you to innovate, to find solution. Is it possible? তোমার কি প্রবলেম, তোমার কোনটা খারাপ লাগে, দ্যাট ইউ পিপল নো, নট আই। রাইট অর রং? বুঝতে পারছো আমি কি বোঝাতে চাইছি?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So by next week at least you people do something. I am always available. I am always available obviously, but I have also many other work. So I may respond late, but I must give you response that what you are thinking. You plan to with me, you send me your plan,
Sir,
and
can
yes, tell me.
sir, can I get your WhatsApp number?
9333033319. This is my number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What thing? তো এই যে আমি যে এক্সাম্পলটা দিলাম মেয়েটির, এই এক্সাম্পলটা কিসের ছিল? ও কিন্তু ভাবেনি কোথায় কি প্রবলেম। ওর লোকালিটিতে কয়েকজনকে ড্রিল করতে দেখেছিল, ও শুনেছিল যে ওদের এই প্রবলেমটা আসে, ও চুপচাপ ব্যালকনিতে দাঁড়িয়ে ভেবেছিল যে ওদের এই প্রবলেমটা থেকে ওদেরকে কি করে সলিউশন দেওয়া যায়। আমি তো একটা পড়াশোনা করা স্টুডেন্ট, আমি কি কিছু করতে পারি না? দিস কোয়েশ্চেন অনলি হেল্প হার্ড টু থিঙ্ক। তো এই কোশ্চেনটা তুমিও নিজেকে করো যে আমার তো সারাউন্ডিংসে এত প্রবলেম আছে, আমি কি কিছু করতে পারি না? আদার দেন কোনো পলিটিক্যাল পার্টিতে নাম লেখানো ছাড়া অন্য কি করা যায় ভাবো। ঠিক আছে, চলো।
Thank you, sir.
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিবডি, বাই বাই।
Bye, sir.